Hello everyone. Have you ever received an email with an unexpected document attached? Maybe a PDF, a Word file, or even an Excel sheet. What did you do with it? Open it, or were you cautious? Well, that email could have been part of a document-based phishing attack. In this method of phishing, attackers send malicious documents as email attachments, hoping you'll open them. These documents often contain hidden malware or links to fake websites designed to steal your personal information. In today's video, we'll explore 3 tips that help you stay safe from document-based phishing. Verify the source. If an email looks suspicious but seems to be from someone you know, always verify it before opening any attachments. Imagine you receive a suspicious email from your manager with an attached report. But the tone seems off and the email wasn't expected. Instead of opening the attachment, call or message your manager directly using a trusted method to confirm if they really sent it. Check for unusual file names. Be cautious of file names or extensions that seem odd or unfamiliar. Always check the file extension. Avoid opening anything that doesn't look right. Imagine receiving an email with an attachment named invoicefinal.bin. The extension, bin, is unusual for a document file. It could be a disguised malware. Be cautious with files that have unusual extensions. Before opening an attachment, scan it with your antivirus software. Avoid scanning QR codes. QR codes in documents can be a quick way for attackers to direct you to phishing websites. Don't scan QR codes. Click on suspicious links or buttons in unsolicited documents unless you're certain they come from a trusted source. You open a PDF, and it has a QR code saying "Scan for more details." Before scanning, think twice. Even if it looks like it's from a legitimate source, scammers can use these codes to lead you to a fake website designed to steal your personal data. Remember, phishing attacks can happen anytime, and attackers often use well-crafted documents to trick you. By being cautious and verifying sources, you're already one step ahead. See you in the next video.